I traveled a lot over the last couple of weeks, and I found this sitting in my garage. What is this? It's a care package from KIES Motorsports, which I received a couple of weeks ago, and I never opened it. So, let's see what Mr. KIES has sent me for the holidays. Ooh. Oh, snap! That's a wallet. A KIES wallet. Check this out, and a money clip. Let's give it a try. Oh! Look, it spits out your cards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't spit them all at the same time. So cool. And now, let's throw some money in there. Bam! Really, really cool. I'm gonna transfer all my stuff to it. No joke. I have this older wallet. Check this out. It's my old BMW wallet. See, it's a BMW wallet. Don't worry, I'm still keeping it in case any of you reach out to me. But it's my old BMW wallet that I got when I purchased my house. And the house that I purchased, I actually purchased it from a former BMW owner who actually worked at BMW corporate, which is why I got a lot of these cool posters. Now you know the story. But anyways, let's see what else do we have here. So we got this box. We've got P gear. Ooh, what is P gear? P gear. P gear. What is P gear? P gear. It's a lap timer. It actually comes with this holder, which is great. So what this is, as far as I understand it, it's a GPS. Yep, there you go. Underneath the P-Gear logo is the GPS receiver antenna. Okay, so this is a GPS receiver that ties into your lap timer app, which means you can use this at the track. Which means I am going to use it at the track because I already signed up for a track session with this car in April, and this is going to come in very, very handy. This is how you install it. There you go. You want to make sure it sits in the windshield. You've got your charging cable here. It's your regular USB-C, which is great. And yeah, this is super, super cool. Thanks, Brian. But wait, there's more? Holy moly. I wish there was money in the wallet that he sent me. Ah. What is this? Oh, would you look at that? Bam! A Mophie. So what this is, not only is this a battery jump starter kit for your car, but you can use it as to charge your phone and whatnot. You can also use it as a flashlight. I love these things, and I'll tell you why. And I'm telling you, I'm not BSing you that I use these things all the time. I have one, and I always keep it in this car. As a matter of fact, check this out. No cuts in the camera. Opening up this car, look, going in. Bam. This is the old one that I've been using. I'm gonna toss it now because I'm gonna be using this one now. But essentially, you always want to keep something like that in the car. Imagine coming home late at night, trying to start the car, just so you find out that the battery's dead. With something like that, I mean, this is going to save you a ton of time and money from having to call AAA or whatnot and getting your jump start done. So let's open it up, and then we're going to charge it, and we're going to keep it charged in the vehicle. And the idea is you want to keep it charged or recharge it every couple of weeks. But check this out. Oh, I know a lot of you get a kick out of this. 69%. 69%. Stop. All of you, get your heads out of the gutter. It's not 69, it's actually 69. See it? You see it? 69. Anyways, I'm going to be charging it, so I'm going to be absolutely using it. Super, super cool. What is... Oh, this is the flashlight. Let's see. Ah, there you go. See? Whoa. So you can have a white light. You can have a red light. And you can have a blinking red light. Super cool. Really, really nice. So anyways, thank you, Brian, for making my day and surprising me with this. That's what we do around the holidays. Ask him what I send him. But anyways, I'm gonna link all of these products down in the description of this video so you can get these. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, the wallet, super high quality, and it's got KIES logo on it. Whoops, sorry KIES. It's got KIES logo on it. I really, really like it. I'm not just saying it. This P gear, fantastic. I'm gonna test it out at the track, so I'm gonna have some real-time feedback for you. And this, I mean, you saw firsthand. I use these jumpers all the time. So this, I'm gonna use all the time, and I'm gonna keep it in the car. I'm gonna keep the other one in my other car now, so I should be fine. But anyways, thanks for watching. And once again, thank you to Brian at KIES Motorsports. You can check out KIESmotorsports.com, but I'm going to link all these products. I'm sure he sells them, so I'm going to link them down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.